Hello, my name is Robert Reynolds. I am from South Louisiana, a little small town called Denham Springs, Louisiana, and I have recently been endorsed by Collision Sticks, and I'll talk about those in a minute. First, I want to talk about who I am. As I said, my name is Robert Reynolds, and I have been playing drums all my life. I say I came out of the womb playing drums because both of my older brother were drummers. The oldest one passed away in 1995, but he was a studio drummer in Nashville, working for independent labels, and worked with artists such as Charlie Louvin and Tommy Cash. I was in my first band at 9 years old with the middle brother, and then we started playing in my dad's band, played a lot of Western swing, old Texas country music, a lot of shuffle beat music. And so anyway, been around music all my life, especially here in South Louisiana, just a gumbo of music. So a lot of influences. I am now the drummer / leader of a band called the King Creole Orchestra here in the States. And we work with tribute artists, mostly Elvis Presley, hence the name King Creole, because we're from Louisiana, and obviously Elvis had a movie called King Creole. But we also work with other tribute artists such as Garth Brooks, tribute artists, Patsy Cline, Cher, Michael Jackson, Conway Twitty, Jerry Lee Lewis, and but the majority of our work is with Elvis. And I also freelance with a show out of Los Angeles called One Night in Memphis periodically. It is a Sun Studios tribute show, a tribute to Johnny Cash, Carl Perkins, Jerry Lee Lewis, and Elvis Presley in the early Sun Studios. It's a lot like $1 Million Quartet, minus the acting. So anyway, like I said, majority of our work is Elvis, probably about 85% of our work. Anyway, I received my Collision Sticks about 2.5 weeks ago, and I'm using the 7 ARs. I used them for the first time 2 weeks ago in a Conway Twitty and Jerry Lee Lewis tribute show in Mississippi, and then this past weekend I was in Illinois with One Night in Memphis, worked at 2 theaters in a town called Marion and a town called Bloomington. Love the sticks. I'm not a basher. I play a lot of Western swing and big band music. That's my favorite. And so I like a lighter stick, great diameter. I like the reach. They have a long reach, and I really enjoy that. And the balance is really good. And they held up really well over the last several shows that I played. Like I said, we were in some fantastic theaters in Illinois. Probably each theater sat 1,000. And they were built in the 1920s. Loved vintage theaters, loved vintage anything. Even this kit that I'm playing right now is a 1958 set of Slingerland drums. So anyway, very happy to be endorsed by Collision, and videos that follow. I hope you enjoy them. It's from the past weekend in Illinois with One Night in Memphis.
little while. Don't shake my tree. And if you don't love my peaches, well, baby, don't shake my tree. Goodness gracious, great balls of fire. Used to be a man. It feels good. Follow me, baby. Well, I gotta love you like I love you should. You'll find. Okay. Wanna tell the world that you know. But it sure is fun. Come on, baby, drive me crazy. Goodness gracious, great balls of fire. Breathless.